How to create sticker notifications effect 1 UI. Easily change any sticker and effect as you like. First, prepare an image so you can remove the background to create a sticker on 1 UI. Select any sticker style you like. Open Galaxy Store. Search and install Good Lock app. Open Good Lock. Find and install Edge Lighting Plus module. Open Edge Lighting Plus. Set custom style. Choose sticker created. Advanced settings. Try any effects. Change sticker size. There are a total of 12 effects you can choose from to match your personal style. Now, whenever you receive a notification, the sticker effect will appear. Turn off to return default. Thanks for watching video. See you.